Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I just got the latest iPhone 17 Pro in deep blue with the AirPods Pro 3 along with some other accessories that I think you'll love. I'll unbox them and show you how I set up my iPhone with the latest liquid glass design. Unlike previous designs, they are showing the back of the iPhone on the box instead of the front. I guess they really want to emphasize the change. Blue is my favorite color, so it's an easy choice. Aside from the phone itself, we only get the cable. There's a slight color difference between the ceramic shell and the aluminum, but to me it still looks good. For your information, I got this in Hong Kong, so it still uses a physical SIM card. There is nothing new on the button designs. The screen has anti-reflective coating, which really helps when you're outdoor. I am a big fan of the rounded edge. It feels really comfortable in the hand. The size of the Pro model is just right for my hand. The Pro Max might be too big. Let's boot up the phone. And we're welcome with the liquid glass interface. I came from Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, but the transfer is super easy with the Move to iOS app. If you got a new iPhone, the battery capacity should be at 100% and the cycle count should be 0. And by default, the Find My iPhone feature should be on. Now, I got my iPhone some accessories from Torras. I actually bought this with my own money because I've heard so many good things about them. This is the screen protector. I picked this because they have an anti-reflective coating on it. I didn't know it's this easy to install screen protectors nowadays. You just have to put your phone into the kit, clean it, install the film like this, and then pull it down, pull the slider. I love how it's in orange by coincidence. And tada, we are done. I feel that the anti-reflective coating here is even better than the original screen. Yeah, I tested it outdoor and you can clearly read the text on the screen. It fits so well to the point where you can barely notice that it's there. Of course, we need a phone case, and this is also from Torras. This is a Q Pro model and it comes with some stickers to decorate your case. I got it in deep blue as well. The material they use feels amazing. The downside is this case is kind of thick and heavy. For me, the Pro is small enough so I don't really care. But yeah, the fit is snug and it feels very protective. Wow, it actually looks so good. There is a camera control button as well. I will make another video for the camera review, so make sure that you are subscribed to see it. One detail I like about the cases from Torras is that the edge of the bottom cutouts are rounded, so it doesn't hurt your pinky in day-to-day use. Of course, the biggest reason why I got this case is because of the stand. You can rotate it in any directions and it can make the phone stand upright, which is useful when you're vlogging. Now let's unbox the AirPods Pro that was released together with the iPhone. You wouldn't believe this, but I actually lost my old earbuds 1 week before I received this. So initially I wasn't planning on getting this, but yeah. We have 5 different ear tip sizes to choose from in this generation. It is also interesting that you can now track your heart rate using AirPods. As soon as you open it, it will be in the pairing mode. There's no button on the back. The design of the AirPods itself has been upgraded. After wearing it for about 1 week by the time of this recording, I feel that it is really comfortable. I also got a clear case from Torras for these AirPods, and I swear I bought it with my own money. This case is pretty cheap, but I have no complaints about the fit. It is very snug. I'm still looking for a better looking case, but this is enough for basic protection. Finally, I'm gonna show you how I set up my phone. You can do it on any iPhone with the liquid glass update. To change the lock screen, long press and select Customize. Here you can play around with the font, size and colors of the clock. Once you enable the depth effect on the wallpaper, you can also drag around the clock to adjust its size. I also add widgets that I use every day like alarm and the Instagram add to story button. Moving on to the home screen, it's my personal taste but I think it looks clean. So how you can make it look like this is in the customize menu. Originally there are too many colors but I think some of you might prefer that. But if you don't like that, you can change it to a specific color using this slider. And you can also adjust the saturation, which I appreciate. For me, I just leave it at clear because it looks so minimalist. I also spend some time arranging the widgets and the icons. Here I can see the battery status of my phone and my AirPods, and then the widget from Blinkies, my reminder, Spotify. You can access the recent artists here, and the Notion widget that I use mainly for content planning. Next, for the main home screen, I have the calendar, clock, the apps that I use very often, pretty much every day, and Chrome for a quick search. At the bottom, I have the apps that I use most frequently. As for the control center, I have the media on top, connectivities, and some of the useful functions. The default one was too ugly for me. If you want your iPhone to last long, I strongly recommend you to change these settings. Under battery, go to charging. You can control when you want your battery to stop charging. For me, I keep it at 80%. Next, if you want to slow down your battery usage, go to the App Store setting, turn off the automatic app updates. I also turn off the in-app ratings and reviews because it is just annoying. If you want the most accurate color out of your iPhone, turn off True Tone. By default, it is on, but I don't like it because I'm a photographer. That's it for this video. If you want to see the gaming performance, you can check it out in my shorts. I have many more videos planned for the iPhone 17 Pro, including the camera review, so make sure that you are subscribed to see them. Like and comment, and I will see you in the next video.